Hey, Phil from Got Memories here. So, just had a local customer drop off, and this is very typical. You've got all the humid climates, and then you've got the Phoenix desert climate, which you can see right here. These have been left out in the garage, and they are, the dust. I mean, we get the monsoon stuff, and it just, look at this. This is grit. So what I do with all the tapes is, because this is alcohol here, which I need to, after I've done dealing with all these tapes, but you can see right here that it's kind of, let's have a look. I mean, you can feel it if you run your finger. It's just grime, but all of this surface stuff I clean off, because this ends up going in the VCR, and it ends up contaminate, just why put it, and I'm going to do a much better job. Obviously, I'm one-handed here, but let's see. I mean, just this top bit right here, look at that. This here, because I do not want this going in the players. And I mean, the thing is look, risky business and Running Man. They don't even know what this is, so I've got to run it regardless, because there might be home movies in the middle of it. She goes, I remember we recorded over some stuff, and da-da-da-da-da. It's just a mess. So I'm gonna, look at that. That was brand new cloth. Let's see. Yeah, even come through the other side here. So these are some of the things that I do, and you can see that dust. Like, as soon as I see this, I'm like, oh my God. Yeah, this is what I'm dealing with all the time. God, what do I look like? This is why you need to see, where it's all done. I haven't even got started yet on today's stuff. Oh, I do have this job over here that has come in. Oh, my life. Look at that. And, look. Boy, oh boy. All of them. And ironically, it's in a iMemories box, because they don't touch any of this stuff. They just send it back. They don't touch it. Who's the smartest? I'm not sure. But yeah, these are all need some work, and I'm having to shelve that for now. Here's a nice job that's all nice and neat and tidy, being kept in good condition. Nice, great, but that is the rarity. If you are looking for a video transfer company, and they're not asking you all these questions, where has it been stored? Where in the country do you live? In terms of, if it has been stored in a garage and you live in a dry climate and it's been in the garage, well, it's going to be dusty. If you're in a humid climate, then there's going to be moisture damage. And everyone underestimates the condition of their tapes. And this is why all of these companies, no one's asking these questions. They're just shoving these filthy tapes in, and your stuff might be in pristine condition. But the numbskulls that work at all these companies just shove. They don't care. They're just like, I've clocked in. Oh, it looks like crap. Now that VCR is contaminated. The head is dirty. Whatever's come off on it. I mean, there might even be, it doesn't look good on the inside there. But then your pristine tapes go, there's a crap machine. I'm like, oh yeah, there we go. Put it in, contaminates it. And then your nice, neat and tidy clean tapes go in. Obviously they're not going in there, but you get what I'm saying. Your tapes are taking a bath with everyone else's dirty bath water. So it is imperative that you clean off all the crud on these tapes if you're to preserve the longevity of equipment. So more prep work involved here. This is one of many jobs. I've got some nightmare jobs right now. Anyway, good times here. I Got Memories. If you do want to get a quote, gotmemories.com. Please note that I'm not charging bargain basement rates here, like you see with all these crappy Facebook ads from all these companies. This is in 2023 when I'm making the video. These tapes are 30, 40, some of them approaching 50 years old, and people don't understand the shelf life of these tapes, especially if they've been stored in poor conditions, and they just think miraculously it's going to come out perfectly. Sometimes I'm doing these tapes 3-4 times over, cleaning the heads. Oh, and then it wrecks a player, and now I got to spend, $150-200 with Tim next door, Arizona Video Electronics, to fix some of the stuff. I mean, I do fix my own stuff to a point, but I had a guy the other day, tape jammed, it came out and it's pulled something inside, and now $130 to fix. And yeah, so there's all these factors. So if you have this stuff and you really value it near and dear, you gotta pay myself or a quality person with really good outstanding reviews on Google to do a good job. Otherwise you're going to be getting absolute crap back. Anyway, all the best to you, and here we go. Going to be cleaning this stuff, and it's going to be fun.